everyone, I'm Sydney. I'm a gallery presenter at the Carnegie Museum of Natural History, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a DIY cat toy that's featured in our Meowfest. So this cat toy is just made from materials you can find around your house and is really adaptable. So feel free to use whatever you have and to switch it up if you don't have the exact materials I do. As we try to stay at home as much as we can right now, it's really important to just find what you have and to use that. The materials I'm using are a pencil, but feel free to use a chopstick or a knitting needle or even a branch. I'm also using a piece of yarn that is over a foot long, but you can use string or twine as well. And then I'm also using an old rag. For this part, you can definitely use felt, which would even be more ideal. I just don't have any laying around right now because you can use like a lot more fun colors. But if you are using an old piece of cloth, feel free to color it with your favorite markers, and you can write like your cat's name on it or something. Or you could also tea dye it or dye it with food coloring just to make it a little brighter. So for the first step, you are going to take your piece of cloth, and it's going to be over a foot long, and you're going to fold it in half like this. After that, you're going to decorate your cloth or your felt. So you can use markers or paint, or like I said earlier, you can dye it. So I just made this simple pattern on mine, but you can make it a theme like the beach, or snowflakes, or something your cat really likes. Whatever you want to do, you can get creative with it, or you can just leave it plain if you want. It's up to you. After you're finished with your design, you're going to fold your cloth back in half, and then with your parents' permission, you're going to use scissors to cut little cuts all the way down the cloth, but you want to make sure that you don't cut all the way through the fold. After you've completed your cuts, you're going to unfold your fabric and lay it out straight, and then turn it around so that the non-cut pieces are facing each other, and then you're going to overlap them slightly. Then you're going to start rolling it up as tightly as you can. After you're finished rolling the cloth, you are going to place your cloth on top of your string, and then you are going to tie the string into the center of the cloth as tightly as you can. And then you're going to tie it again. Then you are going to start fanning out the pieces of cut cloth or felt. So you're just going to make sure you want to pull them out one at a time, and make sure you don't pull too hard or the string might become unattached. And then just to be a little more decorative, I decided to cover my pencil in some ribbon, so that would be gold and shiny. This is definitely an optional step. I just had some time on my hands and I wanted to make it look really nice. Finally, you are going to tie the end of your string to the pencil, and make sure you tie it really tightly and double knot it again. And then there you go, you have the perfect DIY cat toy.